Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like you're chasing ghosts in your security work? You have tons of data, but when someone asks why we did this, or where did that assumption come from, silence. That's the intense space problem. It's not about locking things down tighter, it's about making sense of the why behind the what. So what is this magic box called DIKWP IntentSecurity SpaceGuard OS 2026 V1? Think of it as a super smart, offline-ready toolkit for untangling that messy intent space. It's not just another GitHub repo, it's a prototype designed to take all the bits and pieces, your documents, AI outputs, user goals, risk scenarios, and weave them into a single, traceable story using the DIKWP framework. DIKW stands for Data, Information, Knowledge, Wisdom, and Intent. The genius here is connecting these layers so you can see how evidence leads to understanding, which shapes decisions and ultimately drives action. It's like giving your security process a clear map instead of just a pile of disconnected breadcrumbs. The key takeaway: it clarifies everything without trying to play God itself. It's about making the human element visible and accountable. Alright, let's talk about the cool stuff this system actually does. First off, it's got this incredible power to turn chaos into clarity. Imagine taking a mountain of scattered notes, reports, and chat logs and instantly seeing the connections, the gaps, and the next logical step. That's the evidence mesh in action. No more guessing games. Second, it tackles the AI black box problem head-on. Those helpful suggestions from models, they stay visible as assistive traces. You can see the original idea, compare it to your version, and clearly document why you tweaked it or kept it. Transparency, baby. And third, it's built for teamwork. Security folks, data gurus, AI builders, compliance officers, everyone can jump into the same workspace, add their insights, assign tasks, and keep the conversation flowing around the actual evidence. It transforms a one-off project into a living learning hub for better governance. Okay, how does this wizardry actually happen day to day? It starts simple. Gather all the relevant bits, documents, goals, constraints, past actions. Then, the system uses that DIKWP structure to organize them, creating an initial evidence file and highlighting key questions needing human eyes. From there, you can generate plans, draft responses, or even create training materials based on the specific scenario. Now comes the crucial part: review. Experts look at the evidence, add their comments, correct any shaky assumptions, and most importantly, record why they made each decision. Every single input, every feedback loop, every revision gets logged right there in context. Over time, this builds a rich, expandable history. It's not just a tool, it's a dynamic workspace that makes complex security governance more transparent, easier to discuss, and constantly improvable. So why should you, yes you, care about this? If you're in security, it means tackling intense space risks without getting lost in data swamps. For data officers, it's sanity-saving order from chaos. AI builders get tools that don't hide behind opaque algorithms. And researchers? A fantastic sandbox to explore how intentions shape security outcomes. Ultimately, this isn't just software. It's a push towards a smarter, more human-aware approach to keeping our digital world safe. It's about making the invisible visible.